Hi, I'm Deb Phelps, and welcome to Peaceful Journey. This week, we're practicing what it means to live unity, not by holding on to a feeling, but by gently returning to the present moment again and again. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to be supported. Take a slow breath in and a steady breath out. Feel the ground beneath you. Nothing to fix, just arriving. Bring awareness to the breath. Notice the inhale and the exhale. The body breathing naturally. This is always available, a place to return. Now gently notice where the mind goes. Perhaps planning, thinking, remembering. Nothing has gone wrong. Simply notice the mind has moved and gently return to the breath. This is the practice. You may notice the mind move again, or the body tighten, or attention drift. Each time, softly return. Not forcing, not correcting, just coming back again and again. Now reflect gently. This same returning can happen during your day. In a conversation, in a moment of stress, in a pause between tasks. One breath, one moment of awareness. That is enough. Take one slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Feel your body here, connected to this moment. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. This week, notice when you feel pulled away and see if you can gently return, even for a single breath. For continued reflection and community support, join us at peacefulwellnessgroup.com. Until next time, may you remember that unity is always just one moment of awareness away.